the age of technology, this digital age that we're in, we think we have to do everything immediately. I say we all now have the attention span of a gnat, okay? Because you get something, it's like, oh, I have to do this right now. Oh, I have to respond to this message. Oh, I have to do this. No, you don't. There's no written rule that says you have to do this within 3 seconds or something's gonna happen. Take your time, because it's that urge, that rush, is where we get into trouble. And I just want to make sure we all heard him say, his wife is what? Smarter than him? I'm just picking on you. But no, you're absolutely right. With the blocking, that's a great way to do it. It is your greatest asset that you own is your personal information. And it's in databases everywhere, regardless of if you're online or not. Every person you've ever done business with, every form you've ever filled out, any place you've ever bought something from, your information is being stored and tracked and sold and resold. And the bad guys can get a hold of this stuff, okay? And they use it for social engineering. The goal, make yourself less attractive than your neighbor. Okay? The reason to do that is because bad guys are like all of us. We all tend to have a little lazy bone once in a while, right? So we want to take the path of least resistance. We want the easiest way to do something. Same thing with the bad guys. If your identity is difficult to move or use, they're going to move on to the next guy. Okay? So you want to be a difficult target.